The quick command panel for TwistedBrush Pro Studio. The quick command panel is accessed from the list of icons here. It's this one. Quick command panel allows you to have access to a variety of commands in a convenient way that's close to where you're working. So it's a small window you could drag and place wherever you want, either off to the side or close to where you're working. The idea is that most commands that are available for menus or the icon bars up here and a variety of other things can be accessed via programmable buttons here. There are defaults set up already, but you can change any of them if you like. So for example, if we're painting and we want to undo, we could just click the button or redo, as opposed to going up and going up here and moving so far away from where we're painting. Of course, you can use the standard hotkeys to do it, but if you'd prefer to just set up a quick command button to do it, you can do that as well. Also convenient for whether you want to zoom in and then pan. Notice when I hit pan, the brush icon now has a red outline. That means whether you right click or do a standard left click, you will be activating that command, meaning it's waiting for you to activate. So in this case it's waiting to activate pan, so you can move your work around. So you could be, and it works once and you move it and then that pan command is done, so you can keep painting, so you can work quickly like that. Also, that same idea works with the size, so you can quickly change the size of your brush once and then continue working. Also with density, opacity, and luminance. Luminance, it shows you the color that you're switching to or changing the luminance of your currently selected color for your brush. You can program these buttons as well. If you right click over a button, it will pull up a list. These two buttons here don't have anything assigned to them currently. So I'm going to right click and it pulls up a list of possible commands you could assign to that button. I'm going to select display mask, press OK, and next to it I will select invert mask and press OK. So now if we place a mask on the page, we see the mask is in effect. Normally if you want to hide a mask, we have to go up to the mask menu and uncheck the display mask. And we want it to come back, we have to go back up to the menu. Now that I've set up this button for the quick command, I could quickly, it's still in effect because I've only changed the display, but I can quickly show and hide the mask. Same thing in this case, I could invert the mask quickly. So again, the quick command panel, 12 programmable buttons, allow you to access a variety of different commands in an easy, quick way that's close to your work.